Go. Hi, I'm Kevin Camilo. I'm from Bronx, New York, and this is my speed build.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, what you do? What you do?
103.55, but
You reset it, didn't you?
No, I guess my thumb touched the advertisement and it popped up.
You can just close it though.
I did.
So what happened?
Nothing. I mean, I don't know if that'll be a problem. It's only 20 seconds better.
20 seconds.
That was fast.
Because it was 7.4 before, it's 55 now. Still 103.
But it stopped and then it what? Then the
No,
ad popped up?
I stopped it and the ad popped up at the same time.
Oh, okay, I guess because it's a free ad. It's a free app that the ad pops up.
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got a minute, 3 seconds, 0.55. Bring it over fast before it turns off the camera. So real quick, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
I have the front USB, the front audio, front headers, video card, RAM, power, SATA, and the power supply. 4 screws in there, and SATA and SATA. Okay, let's go connect it. We have a DVI to HDMI converter for the video card.
You want me to show that too?
I mean, if you can see it from there. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's freaking record before this thing shuts off. Okay, so we have Intel 3770K processor. See the fan speed and the fan temperature, the CPU temperature. We go to the DIMMs. That's A1, 4 gigabytes. DIMM number B1, 4 gigabytes. And the SATA Vertex 4 256 SSD. This has been Kevin Camilo from Bronx, New York with my speed build. Have a good one.